Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing another update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. We have a few new airlines and routes to go through, but as usual I will get to that at the end of today's update. So starting off today, here we have a British Airways 787-8. He's just taxiing out to the runway for a flight out to London Heathrow. Following on from that, moving over to the cargo gates, here we have a UPS MD-11. He's going to be heading out to Louisville later on today. Then after that, here we have a FedEx 767-300. He's going to be heading out to Memphis. Next up, moving over to the Spirit gates, here we have a Spirit A321. He's just arrived in from Houston and he's going to be heading out to Orlando. After that, here we have a returning airline to Baltimore. Here we have the Air Canada Express Embraer 175. He's going to be heading out to Toronto. Air Canada stopped serving Baltimore due to the pandemic, but they are now back. They started service to Toronto on May 15th and Montreal on June 1st. But after that, here we have another Spirit Airbus A321. He's just arrived in from Fort Lauderdale and he's going to be heading out to Atlanta. Moving around to Delta now, here we have the Delta 737-900. He is also going to be heading out to Atlanta today. Then after that, here we have the Delta 717. He's going to be heading out to Detroit. Delta are still using the 717 into Baltimore, which I am very grateful for. It makes these updates just a little bit interesting rather than having 737 after 737. And then next, moving along to United, here we have a United Boeing 737-800. He's going to be heading out to Denver. Next up, here we have the classic Alaska 737-800. He is of course going to be heading out to Seattle, Tacoma. And then finally here for this terminal, we have an American Boeing 737-800. He is of course going to be heading out to Dallas, Fort Worth. After that, here we have a new / returning airline to Baltimore. Here we have the Icelandair Boeing 737 MAX 8. He is of course going to be heading out to Keflavik. Icelandair have recently resumed service to Baltimore on May 13th. In real life, they used the 737 MAX 9, but of course, there currently is no 1-400 model of an Icelandair 737 MAX 9, so we're going to have to wait for one of them to be released. Icelandair used to fly to Baltimore, however, they stopped service in 2018, around about the same time when WOW Air ceased operations. And now that Play, who are WOW Air's successors, have now started up service to Baltimore, Icelandair have promptly also announced service to Baltimore, just adding that pressure back onto the new WOW Air essentially, which is now Play. But I'm not complaining because it is very nice to see Icelandair here at Baltimore once again. And then moving on to Southwest, here we have a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 in the Canyon Blue color scheme. He's just arrived in from Islip and is going to be heading out to Albany. Then next up here we have a Southwest Airlines 737-800 in the Heart livery. He's arrived in from Orlando and he's going to be heading out to Detroit. Then next along here we have a Southwest 737-700 in the Heart livery. He's going to be heading out to Las Vegas after arriving in from Pittsburgh. Next up we have another Southwest Airlines 737-700, this time in the Canyon Blue color scheme. He's just arrived in from Tampa and he's going to be heading out to Cancun in Mexico. And then finally for today's update, here we have a Southwest Airlines 737 MAX 8 in the Heart livery of course. He's just arrived in from Dallas Love Field and he's going to be heading out to San Antonio. And that does conclude today's update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. Along with of course the addition of Icelandair, I do have some additional information about some new airlines and some new information in regards to Baltimore. Play, who started service to Baltimore a couple months ago now, I have noticed an interesting progression. When they started service to Baltimore, they were originally using the Airbus A321neo. However, I have now noticed that they are also using the Airbus A320neo on the route as well, so that is something pretty cool to note. I do of course still really want somebody to release either a Play Airbus A320neo or A321neo. As soon as that is released, I will buy it and we will have it in a Baltimore update. As well as that, Condor have now resumed service to Baltimore. They operate summer seasonal flights to Frankfurt from Baltimore. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the last 2 summer seasons, we haven't had any service from Condor. So this is their first time serving Baltimore since the summer of 2019, and their first flight to Baltimore began on June 4th. And then finally, we have another new airline into Baltimore. Avelo have now started service to New Haven, Connecticut, as well as announcing another 2 new destinations. They're going to be starting service to Orlando in Florida on June 30th, and then also they're going to be starting service to Wilmington in North Carolina on July 1st. Of course, it's great to see all these new services into Baltimore, but at the moment, there are a lot of models that just don't exist. I really need to include in some Baltimore updates. I'm currently waiting on a lot of models to be released for Baltimore. Of course, I'm waiting on an Icelandair 737 MAX 9, a Play Airbus A320neo or A321neo, a Condor 767-300, and a Velo 737-800, and of course the Air Senegal A330-900. I'm still living in hope that those aircraft will be released, but apart from that, that does conclude today's update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. I hope you did enjoy, and apart from that, I will see you in the next one. Bye.